Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to remove files immediately when deleted. Don't move files to the recycle bin in Windows 11. So guys, if you want to need this setting, you want to remove and delete files immediately without sending to recycle bin. So just follow some easy steps. Right click on recycle bin, then click on properties. Now here guys, in recycle bin properties you will see option don't move files to the recycle bin, remove files immediately when deleted. So select this box, then click on apply. Now click on OK. Now once you try to delete any file or folder, so it will be removed and deleted permanently like this. So thanks for watching guys, and by the simple and easy steps we can know how to permanently delete files in Windows 11 without sending them to the recycle bin. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.